Inara Nevaeh with Callie, and today we're going to be trying some Hello Kitty.
It's a mystery Japanese candy box.
Yes. So let's just start opening it. Okay, I just got to put it off the table so I can stick my fingers in it. Ooh!
I don't think you're supposed to do that.
I chose this. Okay.
Which one should we try first that we have to share so we can actually...
I want to try these ones first.
Okay.
So...
Let's see what is here. What are those?
I don't know.
All right.
Grab a little drink. We're going to make sure we have drinks. We have mini drinks. So we don't have too much so we can keep...
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Tastes like
Like
cinnamon roll.
Yeah, kind of like that, but real dried out.
It tastes like a Cheeto cinnamon roll, but without the cheese.
Uh-huh.
I like it.
Cinnamon roll.
Let's put this to the side.
I can't read it.
I think this is ice cream.
Do you have any more of those?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna show you guys. We didn't see everything. We can't even read it, so we don't even know what it is. But we know it's mostly Hello Kitty stuff. So much stuff.
I wonder if there's another
Oh my
one of
goodness.
those. What? I've had one of these before.
Yeah, we'll try this later.
And there's two. This is a mystery one, and that is another one of those. So.
Okay. Let's open this. I think there's gonna be some air. Oh, it already went out. It didn't pop. I wanted it to pop. Huh.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think there's any of those.
Okay, I'm trying to open it from the bottom now. Maybe I can bite it from the cone. Yes. Should we bite it from each side?
Marshmallow. In the cone.
Good. Try it. Bite from the others. You're trying the cone? Anything
I only have the cone. That's cone and marshmallow.
Yep.
Okay, that was pretty good.
That was a... I want to try potato chips. Salted egg yolk flavor. Good.
Let's try that. Let's try it.
I'm using scissors for everything. Don't judge me for you opening get the chips with scissors.
Well, let's put our drinks.
I really want to try this froggy thing. I want the mystery.
You want the mystery?
Mystery.
The mystery was the kind I had last time.
Okay. You try one.
Okay.
They're like Lay's, but taste like egg.
Ew. It's disgusting.
It tastes weird. Okay.
Yep, no.
I need my drink.
Disgusting. All right, yep. I'm getting my drink. Let's open these so we can have them. And not die from that disgustingness.
Yep, I'm gonna have, after this video, I'm making my parents try this.
Try the potato chips?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do we use this? I opened up the
Oh, I know. Wait, do you have to do that? Wait, one sec. I forgot.
Are there instructions?
Oh, no, I remember. Okay.
I don't know how to do this. She's done
Okay,
it
so
before.
you take it, and then you put it on the marble, and you push.
I'm holding this down.
You gotta push down really hard.
I'm holding it.
Oh, wait, I almost got it. Hands are turning red.
I think I'm gonna...
It's a little tool. You
I
gotta
like
use to push down the marble.
I put a thing in my mouth. I put this in my mouth. Oh. I heard that.
Yeah, see? The marble's down and you drink it, and the marble's stuck. There, see? There's a marble.
I heard the fizz is coming up already. The air from the fizz.
Yeah. All right, well,
I love it.
Scoop here. I was like,
I like it.
I was out of the camera view.
I like it, but I don't even know the flavor.
I know, I liked it too. I liked it too. Whoa. That came off already. All right, my secret tool. Get out of there. Oh, no. Other way.
Okay, I'm going to try to find another one to try.
Oh, you find the next one for us to try.
I'm going to try this. Oh, there's 2 cookies. Are they like crackers or something?
Okay, we'll try this next. Oh, I did it. It got stuck to my hand. I have a mark on my hand now.
I don't know the flavor.
Okay.
Do I take one? Oh no! I'm gonna go grab a napkin for her.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. You talk to them about the drink.
No. You don't need to. You don't need to. Come back.
She gets mad at me when I leave.
It's strawberry flavored, but it exploded on me.
Yeah, it just fizzed up.
Exploded on me. I don't know. I like the strawberry, I think.
Oh!
Oh!
It just exploded on me.
Happened to you now, too. I opened the crackers while you clean up. It exploded on both of us. It didn't explode last time I had it.
I've never had this, so I don't know if it explodes in it.
Who knows if it's going to be good or not. You get the bigger piece.
Okay, let's try it. I don't like it. Ew. What the? Hello. Why did I choose that?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this looks like something you have to make. I'll try
I
that
will
later.
choose next.
I've had this one. I've had this one.
You like strawberry better, and I like chocolate better, so.
They're like poppies.
Oh, wow. That's cool, okay.
They're really good.
We're making a mess on this table, but I don't care.
We don't care.
No, we don't.
It's a pocky.
Yeah.
Mm.
Except you
Okay,
get
we can't eat them all. We can't eat them all.
Okay. We'll eat the rest after. It's eating one.
I want to try the big bottom one. What is this? Look, it's a biscuit.
Biscuit. Oh, look, it has a Naruto character.
I don't even know who Naruto is.
It's a TV show. I mean, I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. I mean, I don't watch it too much. I need to start watching it.
Is it a Japanese thing?
So comment down below how it is if you've seen it. I don't know. I don't watch it enough to know. Is it good?
Tastes like bread.
It tastes like Ritz crackers.
I don't know. Better. It would be better with some other stuff on it.
All right. Well, the bags of stuff, we'll figure out who's keeping that after. We're trying this one.
Is that when you have to make stuff with? I want to do that last.
Let's try it. Let's try it. We're trying
He's
it.
very impatient. Next we should try that.
Chewy candy.
Gummies?
Yep.
No. I felt like that was gonna fizz up on me. Message.
Gummy gums. Gummies. I won't. Oh, I got it.
Try.
What? It looks like a mochi. It looks like a mini mochi.
It's a mini mochi.
Try it. Is it good?
It's so easy to bite.
Uh-huh.
I'm taking this. I already called it.
You take that, then I'm taking those.
Okay.
Try this next.
This is actually really good.
It's okay.
No, I want to try this alone.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Just try. I'm just gonna try
Where
this
are the
alone.
sticks? Are there no sticks?
No. It's very long.
I know, but look. As like chocolate syrup and like sprinkles.
Okay, you pour the chocolate syrup here.
Or not chocolate, strawberry.
Yes, you got strawberry. It just got all over the table. And just pour the strawberry sauce in this one.
Sprinkles. Bad sprinkles.
I want to try one alone though.
Yeah, that's like it's like melted jello or something. Sticky.
Stretchy.
Yeah, okay. We're putting that on the napkin. Okay.
That smells really good.
Don't know what that is. I dip it. Sprinkles. That's pretty good. I'm gonna have another. I better finish this. It's just gonna be sitting out.
There's jello stuff all over me. There's jelly all over me. Like when I got napkins. Oh
There's
my
two
goodness.
more. One for you.
I need a new napkin.
Also, the sprinkles exploded.
It's like
I'm
if I
having
have
another.
together,
Use
I
it.
get little strings. Can I have the last one?
Yeah, the last one's for you. I just ate another. That was really good. Oh, these remind me of the cubes that we ate that turned our mouse black.
I know.
Our mouse. Pinch.
Go.
Yeah. It's gonna. I feel like it would pop. Wait, nope. It's gonna make a good popping sound. It didn't. It didn't. It didn't make a popping sound. Wow. Japanese candy doesn't pop.
It's not jelly.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Until you say bite into. I don't like it.
I like it. Oh, I'm taking it. Okay, good.
What next?
Okay.
Cookies or any more?
No. We're almost done. Yeah, they're mine.
I think it's like one of the moon cookies.
Let's try to break it in half. I've never had a moon cookie actually.
Oh, yeah. The marshmallow stretching. There you go.
Is it like a s'more?
It's like a marshmallow.
Oh, good.
It tastes like a moon pie.
I want to try this one. Kawaii cookies.
Kawaii.
I'm excited.
Kawaii unicorn. We cut off with eyeballs.
Yeah. Try one. Callie, try one. Callie, try one. Try one from the container. I'm going to try it with the jelly and the sprinkles.
You can keep it.
Like,
Is there anything else in there?
one more thing. You're going to open it. And then we're going to rate which one's our favorite.
I already know which one's my favorite.
And which one's our least favorite. Did I already know that one?
Yeah.
I think you guys can guess. Comment down below and you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get it?
Probably not.
People do it.
That looks disgusting.
I don't like it. You like it?
I never tried it.
Try it. Oh.
All right, well, we'll put the garbage in here.
My favorite was this one.
Did the sprinkles
explode in there?
Yeah.
I think
My
this one's
favorite was the biscuit ones with the Naruto characters.
These ones are my favorite.
And then my least favorite was this.
My least favorite was that too.
So no one's keeping that. You're keeping that. Are you keeping this?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm keeping
Oh,
all
one
the
of them
jellies.
fell out.
Oh, these were gross too.
Yeah. We'll put the things we're keeping over here.
And put all the stuff that is going in the trash over here.
You can have the rest of the marshmallow if you want.
I can have the rest of this. Bye. It just fell in the trash can. Ooh, there's jelly in it.
Whoa. Okay, then the rest of this is going in the trash.
This is trash.
Trash.
This
Oh,
is trash.
who's keeping these?
Yep.
All right.
We're just gonna...
You guys should comment down below which one you think would be your favorite. Which one you want to try the most. Are you keeping that?
Yes. She just stuck it in my Hello Kitty thing.
It's, yeah. Your strawberry one.
Go to mine. Go to mine.
You're keeping that.
I think I'm keeping most this time. But all of this is going in the trash.
This is everything she's keeping.
I'm keeping most of it.
And this is what I'm keeping. Two things.
Kept most of it. And the drink. Of
Yeah.
course.
We're all, both of us are
And
keeping
guys, make sure to like and
subscribe
hit the like.
button. And
Thanks for watching. Bye.